Hi guys, it's Dean from Extreme Car Cleaning, and today we're working on this 34 Ford, and we're using Legend Car Wax. Now this is from Masterson's Car Care, and this is what we're going to be applying today. Okay, so we're going to get started here, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. The reason I'm going back and forth with this wax is that way there's less chance that I'm going to pick up any dirt. And if I do happen to pick up a little piece of dirt, and it does leave a small scratch, it'll be in a straight line. It's a lot easier to polish out if I have to go that road. But I'm being very gentle with it so that I don't have to go and polish this after. And when I'm working on a vehicle like this, I like to do one panel at a time. And that way there you can make sure that everything's coming off, and just take it one step at a time. Take your time and do it properly. Make sure you got everything off of here. Make sure you don't have it build up. The nice thing about this wax too is it spreads really easy, so you can be generous with it, but it goes a long way. Like couple good swipes and you can do the entire panel. When you're waxing something like this too, what you want to do is you want to try and level out your wax so you have a nice even coat. It makes it a lot easier to buff it off too. If you get some high spots, it'll be a little tough to polish them all out. So you want to try and get it as level as possible. And you always want to use a very soft microfiber to take this off. Now, I'm using microfibers from Masterson, and they're brand new right out of the package. So I know I won't have any issues with any dirt or debris in the microfibers. So you want to take your time when you're working on nice stuff, because there's no rush. You want to enjoy the experience. It's very relaxing doing detailing. Now, I'm not putting a lot of pressure on this vehicle. This vehicle is very clean, so it's not like your typical vehicle. So you get a lot of daily drivers coming in. You have to clay it. There's a lot more to do before you can wax it. But this vehicle, it only goes to car shows and not a daily driver, so it's inside most of the time. Relatively clean when it came in here. I took a little detail spray. I used the Masterson's detail spray, and I cleaned up some of the bugs that were on the front. There's just a few. It doesn't harden up like most paste waxes. Most paste waxes, they tend to turn very hard. But I noticed this one doesn't. It'll haze up, but it doesn't turn rock hard, so it's very nice to work with. So when you go to take it off after, it's very easy to do. Now, you want to be very gentle when you're working on delicate parts. Like I said, this product's very nice because once it loads up in the pack, you get a lot out of it, and it spreads really nice. So now I've got all the wax off of here. I'm just going to give it a once over with this plush rag. I just want to make sure I've got every little bit of haze off of this. Like I said, just be very gentle with it, take your time. And when you care about what you do, you get to work on stuff like this. So anyways, I'm going to get back to work here, guys, and thank you for watching.